Everyone, I'm Gunnar Hampton from the Edwell Vocational School. Here we have the robot building in progress for Skills USA Mobile Robotics Competition. This is the second part of the video in a multi video process. As last time I talked about trying to get the outer gussets to be more secure so they wouldn't either go out or go in. I made them secure by adding 4 collars to the shafts. I have a collar on the outside to keep it from going outwards. I have another collar right next to it on the inside so it doesn't go into it either. And to keep the wheel secure, I have another collar here and here, so the wheel doesn't move and so the shaft won't move itself. That is done by the top 2 wheels. The bottom wheels do not have that. One, because they are not needed to. It also saves parts. And another thing I have added is the start of the arm so we can lift the cubes up. I used a 25 by 5 plate for the base of it. I attached it by using the top holes attaching to the other small gussets. I used 2 screws on both sides, so in total there are 4. In order to keep the actual arm up, I used 2 15 by 2 C-channels that are screwed from the top to the base for added security. So these will not move whatsoever. And in between them, sandwiched, are 2 25 by 2 C-channel, which is giving the robot height. They are secured to the robot by the 2 smaller 15 by 2 C-channel using 4 screws and 4 nuts on both sides. The way the arm mechanic is going to work is it's going to be chain driven, which is why I'm using the sprockets instead of standard gears. It's going to have it's going to have 1 or 2 different chains and possibly 2 different motors depending on how strong a single motor is and if I have to use a single long axle or 2 smaller axles. We have 2 large gussets on the top, or not gussets, 2 large sprockets that are going to be the driven one, or the driven part of the arm, which is this part. And below right here, we have the free-flowing arm, which is used to stabilize the entire arm mechanic of it. So, as the driven arm, which is the top one, as you can see right there, is driven up, the bottom follows it, keeping the 2 15 by 2 C-channel vertical to the ground, all the way to the top. As you can see though, there is a small angle that it has, but the way the robot is going to be built, that will actually benefit it by sliding the cubes off of the prongs that I will soon attach. Right now it is a bit loose, but this is because of the prototype. And that is about it. I will be here soon, or be back soon.